only an immensely frustrating result for yourselves, I imagine. Did you feel you deserved something out of that game?
I think if you have 15 attempts at goal and 13 corners, you should be getting somewhat of the game, but got to give credit to Llanelli. They got their goal, and then we knew they'd defend in numbers, and they did, and they defended really well. You know, like I say, 15 attempts for only 2 on target. That, you know, you're not going to score many goals when only 2 are on target. Whereas Llanelli, I think they hit the target 7 times with their 8 attempts. They always looked a threat on the attack, and you know, we knew that as well. But yeah, just another night that things didn't fall our way. But it's down to us. You know, the table doesn't lie. We're bottom of the league. 9 games in and we're bottom of the league. So there's a lot of work to do.
Does that lack of goals concern you?
Yeah, of course. Can't win a game of football if you don't score goals. And it's not that we're not creating or putting balls in dangerous areas. It's just you know, they've scored from a set piece. Barry scored from 3 crosses on Tuesday night. There's a story there. We have to be better defending our box, and we've got to be far better in the final third.
It's a stat that you won't be too pleased to hear, I'm sure, but it's the first time that Haverfordwest have lost 5 games in the league in a row since promotion 5 years ago. What do you feel has gone wrong in this recent run? Is it bad luck? Is it performances? Is it desire? Where do you see the places that you could improve on to turn things around?
Find somebody to put the ball in the back of the net. It's as simple as that. It's not desire. I've got a fantastic group of boys, you know, and it's not about bad luck. You know, you make your own luck. We just need to be better. We need to score goals, or somebody needs to score goals. You know, at the minute, what we scored, I think we scored 7 in the league this season in 9 games. It's nowhere near good enough. And I'm not talking about for a top 6 team. It's not good enough to stay in the division, and if we keep going the way we go, and it's going to be a long season.